Good morning, my fellow of all GWM family. Just a quick one here with regards to the 1st of June, our planned special event. Okay, that was not needed. Yes, guys, please, you'll see on the pin, we've got the poll there. Please go indicate whether you'd be interested in this, whether you're going or not going. We need to plan this. I know it's only in June, so we've still got a whole month ahead of us, but we need to get this sorted. It's a lot of logistics and planning with regards to this. We need the club to represent. Guys, also, it's going to be an early rise, so be aware. We need to be there at least 8:30, latest 9 o'clock, to go in as a club and get proper parking in the venue, on the sports grounds, to put up our gazebo, get our stuff ready, get our cars cleaned, all that stuff. There's going to be thousands of people there that's going to view our vehicles. There's other clubs representing, there's a lot of other cars, old cars, new cars, even tractors. So yeah, it's a lovely day. There's a lot of food stalls, there's a lot of accessory stalls, there's a lot of stuff happening. So please, we need you guys to commit. We can't go there and represent the club with 5 cars. So yes, I know it's still a bit away, but please commit. We will post the official flyer ASAP, and then we'll have the RSVP group created so we can get an idea of people that's willing to come through that day. For the guys that's got their club apparel, your hats, your shirts, please wear it that day. We need to represent the club. The guys that hasn't purchased the club t-shirts, golf shirts, hats, etc., please go and do this. You're part of the club. All the guys that's always on the convoys, guys, we need to show the people who we are and what we're about. So please go do it. We're doing it at the best and cheapest price there is for the best quality apparel. So yes. Then our convoy on the, I think it's the 10th or the 12th. I must just confirm that. I'm confused as well. I've got so much planning I'm doing. Yes, for our convoy to the Turkish village. There's a lot of people that RSVP. Guys, please don't pull out on the last moment. Like what happened with our last convoy. Half the people did not show up. This puts us in a predicament with the venues that we pre-book for parking, as well as booking space in the restaurant or tables. You know, this doesn't look good. They will not allow us to come back again if stuff like this happens, because it's a booking that they're losing out on. If we don't pitch, they could have given those tables to somebody else for a booking. So please, if you RSVP for any convoy, be sure that you will be there, that you will commit to this. If something comes up and you cannot do it, please just notify us or remove yourself from the RSVP group so that we've got correct totals for the vehicles as well as the people coming. It is very important, and I'm stressing this. Guys, we need this RSVPs for a reason. So please, if 20 people RSVP, we need 20 people there on the day. I'm not going to take this lightly. We've got multiple offenders. I know who you are. So please, guys, we need to be 100% in with this. We're not doing this for us. I'm not doing it for myself. We're doing it for the club, for you guys. We're trying to organize all these events and stuff for you guys. We listened to our Muslim brothers. They said they wanted all places to go to join the club. We organize that. We've got 2 or 3 convoys that will cater for them. If there's any people that has got any ideas or want the club to do something, events, go to specific places, mention it. Guys, we cannot think out all this stuff by ourselves. We don't want to go to the same place every convoy. I know there are our favorites, like Bus Stop 7, of course, where people love to go, but it's not for all people. It's always the same people. So, yeah, if you haven't been on a convoy yet, what's stopping you from joining us? Why are you in this club? It's not a question and answer thing. This is an actual car club. Guys, we start to need to start thinking in that direction. We are a car club. We need to represent out there. We need to be on the events and the convoys and the stuff that we organize. It takes a lot of our time as a committee to plan these things, to get this all organized. So please, join us. Bring family, bring friends, bring anybody with you. Let's enjoy it as a family, as an awesome day out, just to get away from work and all the stresses of life. I mean, just driving the Haval, or the GWM for that matter, it's relaxing. So, yeah, let's do this. Let's start getting to a point where we can say we are a car club. Not just a WhatsApp or a Facebook or Instagram, a TikTok or a YouTube social media group. We are not that. We are an actual car club. There, it says club. Please, guys, come on, let's do this. We can do this. We've been operating for more than 3 years now. We are growing at an enormous rate. But yet, still, we've only got the same 20 people that's active in the club. Really, we over 700 people on the WhatsApp group. Only 20 people active. Doesn't work that way. On the Facebook group, we've got over 8,000 people. Okay, 400 or 500 from those guys are on the WhatsApp group. So, yes, please, guys on the Facebook group, go join the WhatsApp group. That is where the club is functioning. That's where you'll get notice of all the convoys, get all the club news, you get more answers for your questions. The Facebook is just to get you guys into the club. So, please join the WhatsApp group and become part of the family. Let's do this. So, yes, I hope to see you all on our next convoy. Guys, and please, the P-Series guys, the Tang guys, the 87s, H2s, Hovers, all those vehicles, please join us. It's always the 86s there. Come on, man, come show off your cars. Let's meet you. Let's just enjoy this whole gathering. That's what the club is for. Not to race to a venue, eat and go home. That's not what it's about. We need to start interacting. We need to enjoy it as a club. Okay. Have a good one. Enjoy your long weekend, what's left of it. Cheers.